Look at this mess. My first time making a cake from scratch, and I'm pooped. Like, this is the ending, was not the ending result, but I done mixed all the ingredients together. I got flour everywhere, but it's time to put it in the pan. So I just sprayed the pan with some butter spray, wherever the heck I put it. And then I put, a little sugar at the bottom, because, and then I'm about to pour it in there. I can't film it while I'm pouring because it's going to make a mess, but I'll show y'all. All right, so here's the cake in the pan, looking all good. This cake look like it's just going to come out perfect. I really hope it does, because this is my first time making a cake from scratch. But I'm about to put it in the oven, and I wrote it down. So it says, put it up for an hour and 15 minutes on 325. So that's what we're about to do. All right, so it is an hour and probably like 20 minutes later, and this is the cake out the oven. It looks so good. And do you hear that crust, that crispiness? That's how you know it's gonna look. This cake gonna be good as fuck. Hello, ASMR. But yes, so I'm gonna let it cool, and then I have to make the glaze. It's like 3:30 in the morning, so I'm gonna let this cool tonight. I'm gonna put it in that little thing and let it cool. I'm gonna let it cool inside the pan, and then tomorrow I'm gonna make the glaze. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna make the glaze and put it on, take it out the pan, flip it, whatever the fuck. Hopefully it come out easy. And then voila, Thanksgiving 7-Up pound cake. So I'm about to go to sleep. All right, no, I know I'm looking busted right now, but I'm blow drying my hair. As you can see, this is my shrinkage. The lighting is sucks, but this is my shrinkage. Of course, when I pull it, it comes all the way down. I did this side already, and I'm using this. I forgot what this called. I know it's made by Revlon, but the only thing I don't like is the off on and buttons rubbed off, so I don't know what temperature it be on. I just turn this shit on and use it. But this is a miracle. I can blow dry my hair real freaking fast. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, so that's why I'm looking super tired. But yeah, I'm trying to come back after the process. Well, I'm not gonna flat iron it tonight, so I'm just blow drying it. So I'm not gonna flat iron it tonight. I'll probably show y'all tomorrow. Cause guess what? It's Vlogmas. Yes, I know I'm looking busted, but it is Vlogmas. And I don't know what I got myself into, because it's already 1 p.m. and I ain't did shit. So how am I vlog? But I did decide that I already recorded some footage, because I know me. I had to start a little early. So I have like some footage of me baking the cake for like Thanksgiving and stuff. I'll probably put that as day one, cause but I just lost my train of thought. Oh, what I was about to say is, I think my vlogs are gonna just upload at 8 p.m. That's gonna be my designated time to upload. So I'm trying to be consistent. I'm trying not to procrastinate. I'm trying to be fucking consistent. So we're gonna see how this goes. I just woke up, and I did show a little. Well, I didn't show y'all blow dry my hair, but I showed like half of it blow dry, half of it not blow dry. And right now I'm about to flat iron it. Yeah, let's get this Vlogmas day 1 started. I'm so tired. I ain't gonna sleep till like 6 o'clock this morning. But I did finally blow dry my hair. Now, if you see my 4C, it might be 4B, 4C, whatever hair, then you will know that this is a big difference from it. But I'm about to flat iron it, and I use this BioSilk expensive ass sheet. But I feel like with BioSilk that's not enough. I use this heat protectant too. So they both heat protectants, I think. Is BioSilk a heat protectant? Um, it don't say it's a heat protectant, but I guess it's supposed to get your hair silky. But I always use 2 heat protectants. I guess if that's considered heat protectant, but I always use 2 because, and I flat iron my hair. I flat iron my hair, not a lot, but I don't have no heat damage. Seriously. And then I'm gonna use this Babyliss flat iron, and I got it on. Well, I don't normally put it on 410. I put it on 380, but I think my hair needs a trim because my ends, they get frizzy so freaking fast. As soon as I'm done freaking flat iron my hair, if I flat iron this side, okay, it's straight. Once I go to this side is frizzy. So I think I need to, I trim my ends, but I think I need like a real like cut, like probably at least 2 inches. But I'm not ready for that yet. I'm not ready, so we just gonna thug it out with what we got and trim it little by little, because that's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna trim a little bit off today, but the last time that I flat iron my hair, I did trim some, so I might trim some today depending on how they look. But let me go ahead and get started. For the bull. Not my phone when it started lagging and shit. Apple, are you gonna give me a new phone? But y'all, I'm just now coming back. As you can see, I straightened my hair. It was straight and it got frizzy. What am I looking for? Everything's Christmas. I'm just catching up on Vlogmas because it's Vlogmas day 1, and I'm trying to stay consistent and I'm trying to be motivated. So I'm watching other people's Vlogmas videos, but I am. Well, I did want to come back and show y'all my hair because I showed y'all, I think, a little bit of me flat ironing it. But I didn't show y'all the ending results. And right now, I'm about to make me some chicken nuggets in the air fryer. So, Tyson chicken nuggets. I'm pour probably like maybe like 10. You know, an even number 10 piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because I haven't ate nothing all day. I'm not gonna say I haven't eaten nothing, but I haven't ate anything filling to keep me like full. I had some cookies. You know. And we're gonna turn this on. And it's 360 for 8 minutes. But that's all I'm doing. I really need to put up my Christmas tree because it's December 1st and it's not up yet. I usually put it up after Thanksgiving, but I don't know. I'm in a Christmas spirit. I really am, but then again, I'm not. So I don't know, but I'm gonna put it up tomorrow for sure. My head hurting right now, so I'm definitely not gonna put it up right now. And then I know it's gonna get late, and then that's gonna be my excuse that it's like late. So I'm not even gonna lie and say that I'm gonna put it up today because I know I'm not. I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. It seems like it's the right brush. I'm gonna use it. I get it on there first, and then I just go in circular motions. But I did upload the Vlogmas today's vlog video, and it did kind of go up late because I forgot how slow YouTube processing this shit be. I know it ain't the Wi-Fi. It's YouTube and they bullshit. YouTube and they slow ass shit. As much money as they make, that as soon as I press upload, that shit should be up there. It shouldn't take 45 minutes to upload and then another fucking 45 minutes to process. But okay, I shouldn't let that make me mad, but I forgot. So it's up kind of late. It's 9:18. So um the video is up now. So of course y'all go ahead and watch that. You know, gorgeous Maya or Maya, because I probably have not introduced myself. But if you do not know me, my name is Maya, and you should subscribe to my channel if you like me, if you like my personality, if you see my boring, if you want to see my boring life, because my life is boring. I be watching vlogs and everybody, oh, I'm about to go to the Gucci store. Y'all, I'm a regular, degular, smegular, fegular girl, which, I mean, even if I did go to the Gucci store, that's not something that I would probably even vlog because I'm not even that type of person. And I get it, people just vlog stuff because, you know, content, like that's content. You know, some people do like seeing luxury purchases and stuff like that, but I'm just not a flashy type person. Now, don't get me wrong. I like nice shit, but I'm just not a flashy person like that. So be like, oh, I'm going to the Gucci store. Like, that's not me. And I feel like that's all YouTube is. Gucci store, BBLs, you know, luxury cars. It's like the same shit. And you know, I like watching real, everyday, down to earth people. Not saying the people that have luxury shit not down to earth, but if that's all you can talk about and that's all you show, like bitch, you ain't showing us no real shit. You showing us this fake ass. Just like on Instagram. Instagram, all you see is celebrities with, you know, showing off what the fuck they got. I don't give a fuck about that type of shit. What? I don't give a fuck about that type of shit. I mean, I do, but on a daily basis, that's not me. Now, I'm not saying that I would never show that, but it's just like, that's not all my channel gonna be about. But okay, let me start rambling, because I always start talking about dumbass shit. Don't nobody give a fuck about that. But my scalp is sore. I don't know if I was just brushing it real hard or I think what happened when I wrapped my hair, I wrapped it this way and my hair is not used to going that way. My hair is used to, I either wear it like two pigtails like this, so my hair is used to going this way, but I combed it this way, you know, to make it go in a wrap, and it's like sore right here. But I'm about to eat my chicken nuggets and lay down and finish watching some Vlogmas videos. And I think I'm going to go to sleep because my head is hurting. And I'm trying to get my routine back because I don't be going to sleep till like 6 o'clock in the morning. Therefore, I don't wake up. Like, I be up, you know, in and out of sleep from about 6 to like 2. But I don't want to be like that. So if I wake up late, then that means there's nothing for me to vlog. Because by the time I wake up, get dressed and shit, do what the fuck I gotta do. Shit, it's motherfucking 9 p.m. and I ain't vlogging. Which I don't do nothing on a daily basis. Why am I vlogging? I don't do shit. I'm a boring ass girl. I'm a homebody. I like to stay to myself. I like to smoke my hookah. I like to watch YouTube. And that's about it. Alright. I'm done rambling.